Good morning, dear son. My name is David. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnamese. I have five people in my family. My favorite subject is English. I go to English class on Mondays. That's it.
Knowledge of chores. Use I, he, she, plus always sometimes usually never. He,
He always vacuums the carpet.
she,
She always does laundry.
she,
She never takes out the garbage. I sometimes make my bed.
he,
He usually washes the dishes.
when does he make the bed? For example, he makes the bed for school. Number 6.
She washes her dishes after school.
2.
She walks his dog before school.
12.
He cleans his room after school.
What are Sally's chores?
She always sweeps the floor. She never takes out the garden. She sometimes clean the bathroom.
What are Billy's chores?
He usually washes the car. He always vacuums the carpet. He never waters the plants.
Compare the following clothes using appropriate items. Number 4.
The pink t-shirt is dirtier than the white t-shirt.
2.
The blue socks is thinner than the red. The blue socks
Is it is?
the blue socks are thinner than the red socks. The purple hat is prettier than the brown hat. The white t-shirt is cleaner than the purple t-shirt.
Farm chores. Now tell me the activities you do at the farm.
Hello, my name is David. I always milk the cows in the morning before I go to school. I usually collect and feed the chickens in the morning and in the evening. I sometimes make vegetable in the afternoon. I usually collect eggs in the afternoon. These are my daily farm chores.
Do you come home in the afternoon?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to bed in the morning?
No, I don't. I go to bed in the evening.
Do you go to school in the afternoon?
No, I don't. I go to school in the morning.
Well, nice to meet you.
That's